Top stories. Convict released as part of commemoration of 150th birth anniversary of M.K. Gandhi. Militants issue monetary demand notes to ministers, MLAs, says intelligence sources. And THB Bishwadit says Finance Department should be held responsible for RBI decision to stop funds to Manipur. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA. Now let's have the news in details. One convict was released from Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa, today in the phase 2 of the special permission to prisoners as part of the commemoration of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi as per guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Naurem Ingo S, 47 years, son of N. Bhalop Singh of Kawa, Naurem Likai, Imphal West, was freed by an order issued by Superintendent of Police, Manipur Central Jail, Sajiwa. In this regard, a statement was released by the jail SP. In Manipur, some militant groups have issued monetary demand note to some ministers and MLAs as per intelligence courses a few months back. There were also reports of some militant outfits demanding huge amount of money from ministers and MLAs of the BJP-led coalition government. Sources suspect either security loophole or a covert political strategy in the unobstructed act of the so-called militant groups. But the sources inform that the monetary demand is yet to be fulfilled as of now. But the ministers and MLAs are receiving threats from the undisclosed outfits through telephone. It has been said that the monetary demand letters were sent to the lawmaker via post. Furious over Manipur facing overdraft of rupees 274.48 crore, prompting the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to stop funds to Manipur. Minister TTOM Bishwadit today demanded that the secretary in charge of the Finance Department should be held responsible for the embarrassing development. Talking to newsman, Bishwadit said overdraft cannot be happen overnight and that the secretary in the charge of Finance Department was in the know beforehand. That is 46 days prior to the notification issued by the RBI. Hence, an inquiry should be initiated against the secretary in charge, Bishwadit demanded.
Overdraft is one day the Taviabanate. Overdraft Tagani an alarming situation for the last 46 days. For the last 46 days, not for the last 7 days, Nate. 40 Nifuni Mamani alarming later report Amalambaze. See, Aikoina, Haningidi, Finance Secretary in Sas Puribase. Man kari kana the brief or kana she later have a kana the high game. It should be the purely responsibility of the bureaucrats. Karigano the 46 days the mark gave the kana the brief or gay. Brief to home talk to mana. Bureaucrat amawena. Adu talk the Nangasi or a kanda kuna walks Gamadikan was here. See the Kanam Tanasu every department gilariba engineering. Punamak, what can you write? I want to know it is part of the politics. I have a great experience of money. I get life that Adu engineering that Sumana Lana Matamahan Basman Tonobo Honabase, Simaxi, some day Adu, a single power to Lagadamu, my own Aminaziaduga, so far I think I see Piri Pose, Haying to Adum Tokani, Zaman and Adam Ziki Regenzi Lakani, I was there, I see them proudly Hajiki.
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today met Union Minister of State of Youth Affairs, Sports and Minority Affairs, Minister Kiren Rijiju in New Delhi and discussed various issues of Manipur, particularly starting of construction work of National Sports University in the state. Biren also made Prahlad Singh Patel Minister of State independent in charge in the national capital, official sources inform. Communist Party of India Manipur State Unit today said that setting up of inquiry committee upon Chief Minister in Biren is a must for the reason of overdraft and price inflation on rice and other commodities in the state. They also demanded to suspend the state government if they cannot run the government for the welfare of the people. Addressing media person during press conference held at Irawat Bhawan, Imphal today, CPI Manipur State Unit Secretary L. Sotin Kumar said that today the state is facing the overdraft issue and price inflation in the every commodities including rice and other primary items. He also alleged that price of rice in the hill have skyrocketed and the state government along with the MLAs, ministers and bureaucrats has converted the National Food Security Act schemes into a black market for their personal gain. He lamented that such issues are not addressed in time. The people of the states will suffer severely in the days to come.
This matam khara suspend thamaga akhoi adugumba chief minister gi mathakta Sri Biren gi mathakta adugumba overdraft sigi khwaidagi maru oiba adugumba tahliba sigi thausen si finance minister mona so hariba oiramba finance minister deputy CM mona so hariba madudi overdraft ki thoiba crisis se chief minister na thon bani ga hari se moi masen marakta adune overall ye bakan da sarkar se chief minister khangde works minister khangde finance minister khangde any minister lepa sigi BJP gi adum sason sigi makada makhan kaya gi adum lut toba adum sarkar ni aduna asum sarkar se masi matam gra suspend tor kanda akan inquiry ma to wi tangai fadab du leire haijani.
Now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang seba da lejari bamba service khanbiyu economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer, standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer, luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40. Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati, Ukhrul, Churchanpur, Kakching, More, Chandela chingba sing Chananabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani. Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing chananabagisu book tawbiyu loina na luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damakta su akhanaba discount pizari hena kupa maro ki damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154 aikhoi gi website www.lamjingbacafe.com.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oida ba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana ba dong gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Manipur ki ahanba private satellite channel TTOM TV Times of Manipur Cable TV service athuba matamda hauzragani. Lamjingba Group ki unit ama oiriba TTOM TV Cable Networking Service ki distributor kharasu pamjai. Hena kupamarol gi damak Nagamapal Rims Road Nityananda Temple manakta laiba Lamjingba Group ki corporate building natraga ikhugi mobile number 8132089758 asida contact tawiru. Khudong chaba si manghanbiganu. Fitness Arena, Fitness Unlimited, facilities available, combat cardio, steam room, aerobic, freestyle, dance workout, TRX functional, TRX rip trainer, TRX suspension trainer, nutrition, shower, towel service, locker, gym floor, boot camp, Muay Thai, yoga, cardio, etc. It is also an authorized distributor of imported supplements including Muscle Farm, Ultimate Nutrition, Gaspari, One Science, Granite and many more from Muscle House, India. Admission fee ₹1,000 only. General category ki oina tha amada lupa chanipan, tha ahumda lupa lising aniga chama, tha taruk ki oina lupa lising mari, sahi ki oina lupa lising taruk ka chaunga. Dynamic Movement Training DMT ki oina tha ahumda lupa lising mapan, tha tarukta lupa lising taraga manga, sahi ki oina lupa lising Offer 40% discount for the first 20 members only for Dynamic Movement Training DMT. Kudong saba si lobby na bagidamak ngasimak langsin biro Pulse Fitness Arena, Gobindazuri Road, Palace Compound, Imphal East. Ay kuki contact number 9711730877 amasong 038524411143.
Welcome back. The Manipur State Council, MSC and All India Youth Federation AIYF have jointly organized 91st birth anniversary observance of Argentine-born Cuban revolutionary Che Guevara at Irawat Vawan, Imphal today. Rich floral tributes were paid to the photographs of the former revolutionary. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit L. Sotin Kumar said that Che Guevara was a great revolutionary who sacrificed his life for the cause of the people through his communist ideology. He also said that Che Guevara was a great revolutionary who worked relentlessly with determination for the freedom of small countries like Cuba. He urged the youngster of the state to learn his principles so as to bring about some changes in society.
Later kaya tariba dasa kaya puna basi kokhaning bagi nuai ta mo da fori bitin kaya aduna mara mor kanda maruina bhani ana pamjaba madudi ekoi Latin America gi leipa puna basi sinba thongna motorcycle tongna miam gi awa basi am khina hakthing na chap chana adum urakanda leipa si miam na Tengari bukudong tiba kaya sila. Adong bachi Cuba, Fidel Castro, adong Raul Castro, chiba maya mama, madu kalabi ho kaya sina adong ba ekoi Batista gi sarkar do madu sab jana fight tong narkanda Batista khamangam do bagi Cuba thado ga change kare.
Under the supervision of State Health Mission, Government of Manipur, District Tobacco Control Cell, CMO Manipur along with Sangay Youth Tobacco Free and Educational Organization conducted a one-day awareness program under the theme Tobacco Free Educational Institutions at the premises of Little Flower School, Kwakaital today. The program was held with an objective to get rid of tobacco in the state. Assistant Inspector of Schools Jet EO Zone 1, Elena Soibamcha mentioned that the program gives awareness to students on the harmful effects of tobacco and tobacco products to one, health and society.
Satra sing the awareness piragadi maikoina program sigi benefit lauraga henna achauba widespread message ama akoigi harmful effects and hazards amadi masigi oiba legal aspects sing asigi matangda yamna fully effectively implement tawada achauba thaudang laugani haibagi thajabaga loinana ngasigi awareness program asi mafam Little Flower School campus maktada pangthokjabani.
As part of the campaign Thamaiban First 2022, social worker Laishramani Singh from Kangzabi Maishram Lekai released around 10,000 fish fingerlings into 3 local ponds, Namthalong Mamang Pukri, Maning Pukri and Gurukul Pukri of Thamaiban Muji Kul today. Mani stated that he will continue to take up more social work in the future. He also thanked the people of Thamaiban and residents of Thamaiban also lauded his efforts.
We nam thanglong ista akhoi isin naw mayam sina mateng bangbidana thadaba phangba Thamaiban gi leba imai bel mayam sina aina pukinga thadaba program sina mateng bangbidana imai ibel isini naw ade maru mapang mayam na ibunga thadaba ayaba pibi na muta Thamaiban gi leba isinaw singbo aina hanna thagachari
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯈꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯕꯩꯔꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
National Highway 37, also known as Imphal-Jirivam route, wore a deserted look today due to ongoing 48 hours total strike call by All Jirivam Road Transport Drivers Union AJRD-TDU from 6 am today. During the total strike, all vehicles plying on the highway sections of Kaimai, Nungba, Tamenglong and Imphal State off the road. However, some goods-laden vehicles escorted by police were seen moving on the stretch. Reportedly, AJRTDU has called the strike orders on 10 incident where some miscreants come down to the Union Jiribam branch office and rummage through the office properties and warn the staff to vacate the office within 15 days, claiming that the office site is a part of the Tamenglong district. However, no untoward incidents were reported during the course of the band. The All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO today observed the 18th protest day against the alleged divisive policy of Government of India at Kwagatel Bazaar, Imphal. President of AMUCO, PH Devan Sarma claimed that the Government of India has been threatening the integrity of Manipur time and again in the name of signing suspension of Operation SOO and holding peace talk with different militant groups. He further said AMUCO will extend support to such initiatives only when the center tries to bring peaceful solution by ensuring the rights of the people.
Government amasung NSN IM anigi marakta lan horiba mayam amalay lan horiba mayam jingjing marakta ethnic ki oina lan horiba NSN IM hairiba siga wari sanabagi adugumba tanja ama fangi hairiba sigumba wari sanabagi tanja asina Maram Moraganda India government na divide and rule policy sanabda khwaidagi hena nungaiba adugumba phibam ama ohelaki aduna 1997 ki August ki tang amadagi India government amasung NSN IM ani se wari sanaba hore wari sanaba sida nongmai pairamba Nagaland gi damakta lan horiba adugumba NSN IM wari sanabada amuko amasung Manipur gi miyamna kaimda nungnangba leite objection leite tawrigumba sung NSN IM ga India government ga wari sanarakpa sina maram oraganda Manipur gi territory da amasung Manipur gi miyam marakta divide tawba yaba adugumba policy sing yaw targadi madudi aikoi yaroi habsi Manipur gi miyam amasung aikoi amukona madugi mayokta chapchana leptuna lai.
Three cyclists, Vernon Lystrom, Yumnam, Chingthang Khanba and Ningthozam Lakpa were accorded a warm welcome at Imphal International Airport today. They embarked on a journey from Manipur to Kanyakumari to spread awareness about global warming from May 20th last. The three environment campaigner Yumnam Chingthang Komba Meitei, Ningthozam Lakpa Meitei and Vernon Lystrom paddled over 3,200 km across Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and finally reached their last leg of the expedition at Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu on June 12. Based on the theme, Safe Environment to Save Our Future, the trio completed their road trip in 24 days. They said the rally was held with an aim to reduce use of automobiles and curb air pollution to an extent.
Any common notion the cycles in a culture or in a hogot paita, aduga climate kumba pollution, she matangs the chat penakoi.
Quite journeys at Nungaitare, and the Awabs I didn't think they do man has some chat money, but none have the zoo. Wazu koi Satia, the Zanini, Kalagatum, Koidum Sale. Adu yam wab di din dinwai
dum loinamati nungai wab fana war thengnare adu jo koi hum pun banina adum phagi jugai tongna dum awab dum hatokna raga dum thawba dum decision yongna ba dum thongnare dum leptab dum thawe adu ayu ayuk ta ngak ti potharaga dum thawe khudong thibaje thengnar te am na de adu mating pang na di yam hele local people na de mating pang ba message ma afawa pinning society da kani khale besing sina unwanted ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Forest and Environment Minister TTOM said that planting of more bamboo plants in the hills will help improve the economic condition of the state. He was participating in the state-level bamboo workshop held today on the theme Bamboo Resource and Product Development at City Convention Imphal. Addressing the workshop as chief guest, Minister Syam expressed unhappiness over the drop in the growth of several indigenous varieties of bamboo plant which were found abundantly earlier in the Manipur. He urged that everyone must take responsibility in preserving and cultivating bamboo plants since the effort will not only help in preventing climate change but also in improving the economy as well.
Any jati wasn't Naga, we gave Kuki, Wero, Muslim, Wero, Maitei, Wero, Hindu, Wero, my imung the Wadi Horum, whenever. Imbalsi, urban era cities, Natawa. Was it sin of Bumsy? We can't have Bumsy, Wagis, production, Padana Magi, factory get over the forest department, Bakalabi said Bakalagadi, was he in Tarakanda, was he in Yalakanda, Saktok like the Namading Sagi, Tonganba, Lailasu Hydaba, Namayama, and Bridget Miamsing, so that we might wasn't Tonganba, Magi Folly Cluster, the bamboo plantation. Agriculture, horticulture, self-service, different kind of Saturday couldn't something like an.
And now let's have a short break.
University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidate singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 Natraga 87940262277.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
Pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last ba khong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gidamak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tally gi short term course ama lemna tambagi khudong chabasu pizari. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasingdi state of art infrastructure, well-furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well-experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference hall and playground. Agaknaba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsen birau Vinit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Akupa marolgidama contact tobirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekogi website www.vmeetinfal.com. Email vmeetinfal@gmail.com.
Manipur University the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langzing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi VAC Agriculture, VAC Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel ki khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gidama www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. Notice ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course Manipur da hangle. Mapalam da chatrabasu hayeng college cha lakpituna admission to bihoro akak na basitni.
Lakle Jun Taraganipan Kanglaipak Manipur ki mapari mamom loisingna Maraipak Kanjabagi Thawai Katkiba Numit Ningsing Hali Ngasisu Adungai Ing Kumja Lising Aniga Supna Amagi Thotokto Athoba Athobi Singna Yatakhiba Kanglagi Masaigol Kekrupat
Hoglo Hauru Leipak Machasa Kekrupat Maikai Pang Lucy Kathok Pagi Wakalon Chesil Halusi Chehigi Thawal Taurusi
Irecha Pumna Makna Saruk Yaminasi 18 the Great June Uprising Unity Day 2019 18 June Leipak Popanumit Kekrupat Imphal
Aujin Charipa Publicity and Invitation Subcommittee Observation Committee 2019
Welcome back. A mass social service was organized on June 12 by District Sports Association, Chandel, in collaboration with Deputy Commissioner Chandel, Superintendent of Police Chandel, Commanding Officer 18 Assam Rifles Chandel and Commanding Officer 8 Manipur Rifles Laikun at the area between Battalion Headquarter 8 MR Laikun and DC Junction Chandel. The social service was conducted in an aim to keep the district headquarter clean and beautiful. The President District Sports Association Chandel T.S. Chamna Anal conveyed his thankfulness to those who took part in social service. The villagers chiefs of Paraulon and New Khongjon, D.B. Prem and Moniron Moyon also took part in the social service. Paralyzing hospital services both in private and government sectors, doctors in New Delhi today boycotted work, observed a Black Day and also met Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan to express solidarity with their protesting colleagues in West Bengal and condemn the violence against doctors there. The strike adversely hit outpatient departments and diagnostic services at several large hospitals in the city, including All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS, Loknayak Hospital, TB Hospital, Hindu Rao, Gangaram Hospital. Patients were offered only emergency and ward services. The nationwide protest is a result of an incident at NRS Medical College in Kolkata on Monday night, in which a mob chased and attacked junior doctors after an 85-year-old man died at the hospital. One junior doctor has sustained a head injury following the attack. Doctors are now demanding additional security and assurance of a safe work environment. The US is ready to help India's defense needs. with the latest technologies and equipment, but New Delhi possessing long-range S-400 missile defense system from Russia would limit cooperation, the Trump administration has cautioned. The statement came week after an identical warning from a senior State Department official who had said that New Delhi deal to procure the lethal missile system from Moscow. The S-400 is known as Russia's most advanced long-range surface-to-air missile defense system. China was the first foreign buyer to seal a government-to-government deal with Russia in 2014 for the system. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Internet power struggle intensified. Finance divested from Joykumar, Wax and power from Biswajit. After heavy losses, NSNK orders cadres to strike back in Myanmar. Intelligence. Cabinet adopted no decision on disciplinary action, says Deputy Chief Minister. Henry appears before court. The People's Chronicle. Deputy Chief Minister penniless, no works for powerless Biswajit. An inquiry committee has been constituted to investigate into the suspected financial mismanagement in the Works, Power and Finance departments. Chief Minister in Delhi to brief Center on portfolio reallocation. Biswajit negates excessive expenditure slur. Shows proof. Joykumar slams Chief Minister. Ridicules disciplinary action. The Morning Bear. Manipur overdraft issue. CM takes a tough stand. Orders inquiry in PWD and Power Department. Deputy Chief Minister Biswajit stripe of portfolios. Charges baseless and political ready for inquiry. Minister Biswajit. Army recruitment rally for soldier women JD at Shillong. Huge cache of arms and ammunition unearthed by combined team. Coordination meeting on Mega Food Park to help employ 1,500 local youth. Imphal Free Press. BJP strips Joykumar, Biswajit of their portfolios as punitive action for lending state in overdraft. Chief Minister responsible for overdraft, says Deputy Chief Minister Joykumar. Reallocation of cabinet portfolio was not part of the cabinet agenda. Allegations against my departments baseless. Minister Biswajit. Police suspect KCP Nando may have been eliminated. Manipur Mail. Duran tax over works, finance, Joykumar Biswajit fume. Joram Thanga presents rupees 10,622 crore balance budget. Oscar-winning film Cinema Paradiso to be shown.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Convict released as part of commemoration of 150th birth anniversary of M.K. Gandhi. Militants issue monetary demand notes to ministers, MLAs, says intelligence sources. And DH Biswajit says Finance Department should be held responsible for RBI decision to stop funds to Manipur. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.